Hello students, welcome back to the session. In this class, let us derive an expression for current in a simple circuit. You know very well, Ohm's law is used to what? Determine or solve the simple circuits here. If you know how to calculate current in a what? Simple circuit, then definitely the Ohm's law can be applied to solve some simple circuits here. So the next content is current in a simple circuit. Current in a simple circuit. Current in a simple circuit. Then what is simple circuit here? Any wire of a certain resistance R. Say for example, this is the conducting wire of what? Resistance R, which is connected across energy source. Which is called energy source here? Battery or cell is a energy source. That battery of what? EMF E and internal resistance small r. Battery has EMF E and internal resistance what? Small r, and that battery is connected across a wire of what? Resistance R. Such a type of circuit we will call it as a simple circuit. Means any device of what? Certain resistance is connected across a cell of EMF E and internal resistance R is generally treated as what? Simple circuit. Through this circuit, what happens? Current starts flowing. I is a current which is flowing through an external circuit here. So this is the direction of what? Current here. The current starts flowing through simple circuit. Let us derive an expression for what? Current in a simple circuit. Try to understand the terms here. What is E? E is called electrical energy supplied by the battery or cell for the flow of what? Electric current. That energy what the battery or cell is going to supply, that is generally we will call it as a EMF. Okay, EMF is a electrical energy which is supplied by what? Battery or cell, and it is the main source for what? Flow of current in a circuit. What is E here? E is EMF. You know very well, any cell is going to exert some opposition force for the flow of electric current. That opposition force will call it as an internal resistance of a cell here. Then what is R? R is called external resistance of a circuit. R is treated as the total external resistance of a circuit, or else whatever the components you consider, those components are going to exert some opposition force for flow of electric current. The net opposition force exerted by external circuit for the flow of electric current, we will call it as a external resistance R here. Of course, the I is a current which is flowing through a circuit, and this current is also called current in a simple circuit. Let us derive an expression for current in a simple circuit. You know very well, whenever you are going to supply some energy, most of the cases that energy is converted into work. Energy and work are interconvertible. Whatever the energy you give to the what? Devices, definitely that energy may be converted into work here. Here also the cell is going to supply how much energy? E amount of energy in order to what? Make the current to flow. The total energy what? Supplied by the cell is utilized for doing the work against two resistances. Are you getting my point? You have to do the work in order to overcome from internal resistance. There must be a work done in order to what? overcome from external resistance. Therefore, the total energy supplied by the cell is utilized in two ways here. One way is some part of the energy is used to do the work in order to overcome from what? Internal resistance. And the remaining part of the energy is used to what? Overcome from external resistance. Current circuit nalli flow agbekadre current should overcome from internal resistance. For that you have to do the work. Current should overcome from external resistance. For that also what? You have to do the work here. Therefore, how much energy, that is total energy supplied by the what? Cell here, that is E is a total amount of energy supplied by the cell is utilized for two purposes. First purpose is work done to overcome from what? Internal resistance plus work done to overcome from what? External resistance, capital R. There are two works. One work is to overcome from internal resistance of a cell. Another work is to overcome from external resistance of a cell. In order to make a current to flow through a simple circuit, there must be two works here. For that the energy is required, and that energy is supplied by what? The cell here. Of course, the EMF of a cell is E here. E is a EMF of a cell. Work done to overcome from internal resistance is numerically equals to potential difference across a cell. This is called VR. Potential difference across a cell. Plus work done to overcome from external resistance is numerically equals to potential difference across what? The potential difference across external resistance here. V suffix small r plus V suffix capital R here. Further, same current is flowing here. Therefore, V suffix small r is numerically equals to I into R according to Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, potential difference is a product of what? Current and resistance. Here the resistance is smaller, current is I here. Therefore, it is given by I into what? Smaller. Here current is I, but the resistance is capital R. Therefore, this should be equals to what? I into capital R. Potential difference. Here the potential difference is how much here? I into smaller. Here the potential difference is I into capital R, because same current is flowing through the what? Circuit here. Further, E is equals to, that is EMF is equals to I common. It can be written as what? Small r plus capital R. I have taken I common here. If you take I common, then I can write capital R plus small r. Then I is equals to what? Or I can write I is equals to E divided by capital R plus small r. So, which is an expression for what? Current in a simple circuit. The current in a simple circuit is calculated by using the formula I is equals to E divided by capital R plus small r. Concentrate on the terms here, where E stands for EMF of a cell and R stands for, that is small r stands for internal resistance of a cell. Next is what? I stands for current in a cell here. Therefore, the current I is equals to E divided by capital R plus small r. So, based on this equation, we can also determine potential difference or terminal potential difference of a cell here. We can also determine terminal potential difference of a cell. As I said you, what is terminal potential difference? Potential difference across a cell. Potential difference across a cell when the cell is in which circuit? Closed circuit. When the cell is in closed circuit, we will call it as a terminal potential difference. Therefore, the terminal potential difference of a cell V is given by, it is potential difference across a cell when the cell is in which circuit? Closed circuit. Already this cell is in what? Closed circuit. You measure potential difference between these two terminals. ಇವೆರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ವಿತ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿವೈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ವೋಲ್ಟ್ಮೀಟರ್. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, you can consider these 2 points or else you can consider these 2 points, no problem here, because these two are connected in parallel. Therefore, when the components are in parallel, definitely they are at what? Same potential. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ potential difference measure ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ potential difference measure ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, definitely potential difference same ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? Terminal potential difference is numerically equals to potential difference across what? External resistance. Potential difference across external resistance is numerically equals to what? Terminal potential difference. Artha ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. Terminal potential difference V is given by what? Terminal potential difference of a cell is given by, which is numerically equals to potential difference across what? External resistance. Therefore, according to Ohm's law, I can write V is equals to what? IR. V is equals to IR. Further, V as it is, but already we derived an expression for what? Current. You can substitute there. If you substitute, I can write E divided by capital R plus what? Small r. V is equals to E divided by capital R plus small r into what? Capital R. Okay? Into capital R. Next you can simplify what it is. I can write V is equals to, or else you can transfer this term here, V into R plus small r, which is equals to what? ER. Okay, shall I write like this? Okay, no problem. Then what? V into R plus small r is equals to what? E into capital R. Let us try to write expression for what? E here. If you write E, or else what? No need to substitute here. Here only I can make simplification. Okay, V is equals to I into what? Capital R here, I into capital R, or else you can make use of this one, this formula only. What it is, you transfer R plus small r this side, I into R plus small r is equals to what? E. I can write like this. I transfer R plus small r to the what? LHS here, so that I into capital R plus small r is equals to E. Then IR plus I into small r is equals to what? E. As I said you, I into capital R is a potential difference across external resistance, which is further equals to what? Terminal potential difference here. Therefore, I into capital R is replaced by V plus IR, which is equals to what? E, or else V is equals to E minus IR, which is an expression for what? Terminal potential difference. The terminal potential difference of any cell is calculated by using the formula EMF of a cell minus current flowing through a cell multiplied by what? Internal resistance. Look at the value of V here. Look at the value of V, which is equals to E minus I into R term. E minus I into R term. Means IR should be subtracted from E in order to get what? V. It clearly indicates that terminal potential difference is lesser as compared to what? EMF. Terminal potential difference will be lesser as compared to EMF by a factor I into R. ನಾವು ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊ, ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇ ಎಂ ಎಫ್ ಗಿಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ? ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇ ಎಂ ಎಫ್ ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಐ ಇಂಟು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ಸರ್ ದನ್ ವಾಟ್? ಇ ಎಂ ಎಫ್. ಲೆಸ್ಸರ್ ದನ್ ಇ ಎಂ ಎಫ್ ಇನ್ ಎ closed circuit here. Or else EMF is greater than what? Terminal potential difference. How much is the greater? Means definitely we can write EMF E can be written as what? V plus IR. From this equation, EMF is greater than terminal potential difference by a factor. How much it is? IR. So this is the difference between EMF and terminal potential difference of a cell here. So we derived an expression for current in a simple circuit at the beginning. Later we derived an expression for V here. What is V? It is called a terminal potential difference of a cell here.